Stop laughing at me. Are you videotaping me?
No.
Well, don't. This is so embarrassing. I'm just kidding. Dang it, drive. I want to drive. I like swallowing it down. You're videotaping me.
No, I'm not.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to find the perfect picture.
Are you taking a lot of pictures?
No, I'm like, I'm zooming in and zooming out to see if I can find a good picture.
Look at that heart. It's because I hiccup now.
You're ruining my bottle.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
I'm just making it fun. I didn't want Sharpie to get all over me. So.
Mallie, I'm going to give you $1 for every hiccup.
You said that before.
No costs count.
Ah! You gotta give me $1. $2. $3.